Greetings everyone, myself Dr. Madhusmita Mohanty. In this course, we'll be learning about substation engineering. I have a total 10 years of experience in all academic, research, and industry, and I'm curious about the fresh minds who are interested to pursue career in transmission or distribution system, electrical power system. So this will be very much beneficial for the upcoming engineers who will be working in real-time power system. It will help them to conduct safe switchyard operation, understand the principle of systematic maintenance of various switchyard equipments, understand the various aspects of switchyard maintenance, various condition monitoring techniques, switchyard operating procedures, and testing methods, prepare inspection, testing, maintenance schedule, and contribute to the system reliability improvement. As I said, these are for beginners substation engineers who are curious about the power system dynamics, and the UG students who want to know about the real-time power system, all the technicians and staffs who are curious about the switchyard operation. The course curriculum mentioned over here is like that: the introduction to substations, the components, applications, installations, design basis, the single line diagram, symbols, review, and major equipment and their ancillaries, the power transformer, the circuit breaker, voltage regulator, capacitors, reactors, relay, control equipment, high voltage termination, substation maintenance schedule and testing methods, transformer fundamentals, maintenance and testing, VDV test of transformer, transformer oil characteristic, the first and foremost the septic procedure, and working in and around the substations by taking care of the electrical hazards, in service care and use of the required personal protective equipments, the energized and de-energized work procedure, the lockout and tagout requirements, the temporary and permanent grounding systems and specific equipment hazards. In the course, it will be a exchange of information, the theory as well as practical. So stay tuned. Thank you.